guess what I found? I found a spring. Woohoo! And I've nearly lost the tractor. So you can still see flowing water running through these puddles here. So what I've had to do, I've now just left it, and I have to go get my old trusty Land Cruiser just for a little bit of winch capacity, just so I can just pull myself out. So what I'm going to do is hook up just the winch onto the back tow hitch here on the tractor, and we'll see what happens. So I'll come and find you, and I'll see you soon. Alright, so here we are. I've got the old trusty cable hooked up to the back of the tractor here. We're just going to see if we can get a little bit of tension and then slowly drag me out. So it could be quite funny. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so we finally got it out. Oh my God! It's exactly what we didn't expect. So you can see the mess that I've made. Now I was just looking before, and it's like little mini Mount Vesuvius. I've got water just popping up everywhere. So as a part of our structure now, I'm going to have to somehow try and work out what the best thing to do about this spring is. Obviously we're going to have to harness that, so you know, that maybe that could feed some stock troughs or something like that around here. This week is just getting full on. Okay, well, it's time to hit the machinery shed. I've got something to clean, a bit of a pressure wash, and get it all ready for the week. So far out, mate. Like and subscribe. How to get your tractor out of a brand new spring that you've just found.